You have decided that you want to sell your house. You already took care of the interior of the house, the exterior of the house, and you pulled your comps. Now, what strategy should you use to attract the majority of buyers? How do you get a lot of buyers competing for your house? Stick around to the end of the video, and we're going to discuss the three strategies that you can use to price your house. What are the pros and cons, and what are the things that you need to be prepared for when you price your house? My name is Miguel, and this is your channel Living in Arlington Today, where we help you navigate the complex world of buying, selling, and investing in real estate.
So strategy number one, you go for the highest price possible. The goal is to break the record in your neighborhood. So what are the benefits of doing this? If you find that unicorn buyer that is willing to pay for the price, the record price that you're listing the house for, you're gonna net a lot more than the regular market value for the property. What are the cons, or what are the negative things that could happen? Well, maybe you do not find that unicorn buyer. Again, we're talking about probabilities, so most likely the house probably sits on the market for a long time. In this time, you're still paying your mortgage. And the biggest problem is that new buyers that are getting a brand new list and your house shows up in their list, they are gonna see that your house has been on the market for a lot of days, most likely above average days on the market. And they're gonna start asking the question, what is wrong with the house? So if they are working with a savvy realtor, the realtor is gonna let them know that the house is overpriced, and they might make an offer for a lot lower than you're expecting, or they might not make any offers whatsoever.
Now, the second strategy is pricing the house at the level of the comps in the neighborhood.
This is the most used strategy. Listing agents use it, buyer's agents use it, and appraisers for the lenders use the same strategy. The goal is to obtain a comparative market analysis, or a CMA. With the CMA, you find out what is the market value of the house, and you list it at that price. Now, the pros are that you are going to sell your house at a fair market value. It is going to stay on the market for a lot less time than the previous strategy, and there's no really clear negative on this strategy. The negative is that there's a better way to do it, which brings me to the third method. If you are curious, you are thinking about selling your house, but you're not sure where to start, give me a call. The best decisions are made when you have tons of information in your hands. I can help you with a CMA, and it's not going to cost you anything. It's just going to get you closer to making that decision, whether you decide to list it or not. So give us a call, text us, send us an email. I'm putting all my contact information in the description of the video.
Now, what are my smartest clients doing right now?
List your house for under market value. What is the clear advantage of this? That you are increasing the possibilities of getting multiple buyers interested in your house and receiving multiple offers, which leads into a price war and you getting your house sold faster and for a lot more than market value. And this strategy goes really well in today's market, which is still a seller's market because we have low inventory of houses. Now, there is a big negative. What if you receive a low ball offer? Clearly, you do not have to take that offer. So let's wait for this strategy to work its magic, and let's get multiple buyers interested in the house. Now, I mentioned at the beginning of the video that we were going to discuss what are the things that you should expect when you list your house. There are a couple of things. First is communication from me. We're gonna set an appointment for every Tuesday at the time of your choosing, so we can go over what happened the week before. How many people came through the house, what were the positive or negative comments, and this will give us an opportunity to correct certain things about the strategy or maybe with the house. Now, let's say that the strategies that we put in place didn't work and your house is not getting enough visits or offers. You need to be prepared for adjusting pricing. Before we go on the market, we're gonna have that strategy for price adjustment already discussed. So if it happens, you already know what to expect.
We post videos like this every week. So if you found it valuable, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you're informed every time we drop a video, which is every week. I'm your realtor, Miguel, and this is your channel, Living in Arlington Today. Thank you very much for staying to the end of the video, and we'll see you next week.